Hello YouTube, Joe with Joe's Shop. Today, a quick look at the Kreg-Jig Workstation that I put together some time ago. Now I thought it would be neat when you go to do a project like this to be all ready to go. Have everything you need. So you just grab a drill and this workstation and you have everything you're ready to work. You have everything. On this side we have the hardwood screws with the real fine pitch thread and the squared head. This side you have the ultra coarse super high helix for the softwoods, all ready to go. Even a top to keep all the sawdust out. Over here we have the wrench that you know you're going to need to get this perfectly tight, other than the way it is now. The quick clamp, both sizes of bit drivers, and of course the bit that you're going to need to do the actual drilling. Now the nice part is it's all ready to go. All you do is grab your wood piece that you're gonna drill and grab a drill. You're set with all your tools. So it's fast that way, and it's completely supported. That was the part that I really wanted. Something that I could clamp down in front. That's why this space is here. So you can easily clamp this whole workstation down and then clamp whatever you need here or where have you. It works really nice. And above all, you can take it with you and everything is ready to go. That's a real nice feature too. Everything is ready. So let me know what you think. It's something fast, something quick you can build. Perhaps you want to build one too, just to spark some more ideas. You guys let me know what you think. Take care.